Hey everyone, I'll show you how to do hard reset on your Moto G7. As you can see right here, it's really easy. All you have to do, turn the phone off completely, and then you'll need to hold the volume down and then power key on the right side right here. So hold volume down and press power until it's gonna get you to this screen. Now you can scroll down to recovery mode. Here it is. Okay, once you see this screen, you'll need to press power and then volume up, and here it is. Scroll down to wipe data and factory reset, and then press yes if you want to do hard reset on your phone, as you can see right here. Okay, let's say no. We're gonna reboot the system, and then I'll show you how to do factory data reset on your phone. Let's wait. Until it's gonna power it up.
Hello, Moto.
Okay, so you open this, go to settings, and then type in the search box factory data reset. So here it is. And then you can click erase all data. It's gonna delete everything of this phone. So once you're ready, press reset the phone. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye bye.